Hi everyone, and welcome to GDPR for Beginners, from Zero to Pro series on Learning with GP, the only place where GDPR is simplified. I'm going to make videos on each of the important topics covering GDPR. These upcoming videos will be an introduction to GDPR, but as we progress, every topic will have dedicated video to it. So, subscribe to my channel and explore for more in-depth content on the topics. In case you are curious to learn about a topic, you can also let me know in the comments below. Today, we will learn what is GDPR and its timeline. And in the end, we will take a little quiz to test what you have learned in this lesson. In the next video, we will talk about why should you know about GDPR. And of course, in the end, we will do a quiz, as it's good to assess and revise. So, without further ado, let's jump right in understanding what is GDPR. GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation. Now let's take a look at its timeline. So GDPR was proposed in January 2012 and was approved on 14th of April 2016. The law came into effect from 25th of May 2018. GDPR is designed to unify data privacy law across European Union to protect and empower all EU citizens' data privacy. It's made to protect EU citizens' data from misuse and prevent data misuse from companies that are accessing them. So basically, GDPR is a watchdog which will monitor and ensure that the personal data is used in the way the businesses claim and disclose they are going to use it. The businesses first need to justify why are they using your data, and then they can use the data in only the specified way. And you, as a data subject, have the right to object to the way that data is being used. This ensures the maximum rights are with the data subject. In fact, GDPR is one of the few regulations written completely keeping data subjects' privacy in mind rather than focusing on the businesses. Okay, well that's all fine, but what do you mean by data privacy? Now that's an interesting question. Data privacy is an age-old concept of protecting our data from being leaked out. Looking around, we can find several examples of it in the real world, in the forms of locked file cabinets, safety box rental spaces, etc., etc. Data privacy shows how information can be handled based on the importance it possesses. For example, sharing just your name to introduce yourself to a stranger is an easy share, but sharing your security number is not. However, registering on e-commerce pages, you might have to give away more information than just your name. Large corporations store data of lots of customers, and it's their responsibility to make sure that the data is stored securely and their customer's identity stays safe along with the company's reputation. But wait, it just doesn't end there. It's not just the company's concern. It's about you. You, as a data owner, have a lot at risk when it comes to faulty data privacy. Therefore, the more you know, the better you can control your data and protect yourself from those risks. Now that we know what is data privacy, the previously discussed definition of GDPR makes more sense, doesn't it? Well, just like this, let's keep progressing on our journey to becoming GDPR Pro. With this, we are finally finished with our video on understanding what is GDPR, and this brings us to quiz time! So let's put to test the knowledge we have gained from this video. In this section, you will be shown a couple of simple questions based on the topics that we have covered so far. The questions will have 4 alternatives and 1 correct alternative. Feel free to take your time or go back to the lesson and find the correct answer. You can write the answer in the comment section below. I will make sure to get to your answers. I hope you got all the answers to the quiz correct. In the next video, we will talk about why should you know about GDPR. And of course, we will do a little quiz. So stay tuned for more videos. Do subscribe to my channel, Learning with GP, where GDPR is simplified. And with that, I thank you for putting your best foot forward towards understanding GDPR. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me at gunjan.gdpr@gmail.com. So see you soon. Until next time, bye!